Xd is great because it can easily open sketch files and they are totally usable and you can use them on a daily basis. And Adobe's team is working hard to bring even more advanced features when you using sketch files inside of Adobe Xd. So you can see right here that I'm using this file from InVision called Atlas Dark, and you can download and use it if you want. It's free. And right here we have the mobile versions, tablet versions, we have web versions right here, and finally we have UI colors and master components. And this is what's really important because all of these components were transferred from the original sketch file. And if you ever used Sketch, you have to create basically the separate pages for your components. So basically one page will be for the design, one page will be for this mobile design, one for the web, one for the tablet and so on, and the other page will be for the components, for example, while in Adobe Xd things are a bit different. So all of your components are located right here. So you can see that we have these switchers and small buttons and so on. And the great thing about Xd is you can see that it's located in two places, so it has two instances, and I can right click, edit master component, and it's going to create that master component for me, and I can then simply edit it and then make those changes. So if I zoom in right here, you can see that we have this welcome screen, for example, and these mobiles and so on. So when I click right here, I can hold my control key and click right inside this, and you see that we have this gradient. I can jump inside right here and click on the colors, and it's going to save that gradient. So if I right click right here, click edit, and I can simply make changes to this gradient, and it's going to apply. As you can see, wherever we have that same gradient right here, it's going to apply those same changes. So as you can see, you can use sketch files inside of Adobe Xd, but just make sure that you are aware of the limitations that this brings, because Adobe and Sketch are completely different companies, completely different philosophies, and the most important thing of all is Sketch is Mac only, while Xd works on both PC and Mac. And one final thing I just want to mention, you cannot export sketch files from Adobe Xd. While you can import them, you cannot export them because Adobe wants you to keep using their product. So basically you can open sketch files, and they are going to continue working hard on even better integration, and they're going to allow you to open those sketch files into a lot more details, and they are going to save, for example, these components and character styles and so on. But the main and important thing here is you cannot export them back as sketch files. So for example, if somebody sent you sketch files to work with them inside Adobe Xd, you can, but you cannot send them that sketch file back. All you can do is basically export SVG or either save it as a native XD file and then send them that.